President Trump has declared victory in Nigeria, said he ended the Christian genocide there, and he has removed the U.S. presence. And folks, this is probably the biggest foreign policy mistake that you're going to witness in your lifetime. By stepping in and doing a few things in Nigeria, he got the hopes up of a lot of people. But the fact is, he has not ended the Christian genocide. He has not hit the groups responsible for the majority of the killing. Nigeria is still today the #1 nation on earth for Christian genocide, most dangerous place to be a Christian. People are being killed and displaced every day there because of their faith. And Trump is now declaring victory. This is so dangerous. If the U.S. turns away right now, if the world stops paying attention, the backlash will be beyond anything the world has seen in years as far as the death toll. This is very critical. My name's Mike Arnold. I've been to Nigeria 16 times as a missionary since 2010. In 2019, I discovered a displacement camp where thousands of Christians had to flee there from a massacre. They had been there for 5 years already in shanties that they built next to sewage ditch. Horrible conditions. The government doesn't care about them. I heard their stories. I promised to tell their story. And it's taken me almost 7 years. It's been the hardest 7 years of my life. I've been back there, very dangerous conditions. Been to the front line. At one point, level 4, do not travel. Warning from the State Department, red flag, went anyway, undercover, hidden cameras. But we have gotten to the bottom of what's happening there. The jihad machine behind this ongoing genocide. And Trump's saying he's done. And the reason is because the narrative has shifted. The Nigerian government has spent more than $10 million just on lobbying in Washington, D.C. alone to control the narrative and convince the world, and the media and the president, there's nothing to see, that it's all taken care of. Folks, we need to turn this around to save lives. We need to restore the narrative. And the way that I think the best shot we have doing that is to finish this film that I've been working on. Like I said, I would have been done 5 years ago if I could have, but God hasn't allowed it to happen. Timing is everything. And now is the time. The world needs this. Ambassador Sam Brownback told me this film might be the best shot we have at turning the narrative around and regaining public attention so that we can end this genocide. We have so far, through my nonprofit, all these years, raised and spent about $180,000 to get this far. The film we're making is truly world class. We used the Nigerian Director of the Year, which is pretty significant for a big part of the film, in the field. We have some of the best editors and producers literally in the business God has blessed us with. We're right at the end of our production, and we need to raise some funds to finish this and get it out there right now. Please take a moment, click on the link, watch the trailer for this video, read what we're doing, and see how you can help us. You can invest either as a nonprofit contribution, it's tax deductible, or as a return on investment through the LLC. It's all done by industry standard. There's already interest from distributors. This film needs to get out now if we're going to save lives and end this Christian genocide in Nigeria. Please take a moment to look at this and to help. Thank you.
Lekwa Nigeria madosa ya Chineke nna de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke nna kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.